Hello, everybody. Welcome to week number 11, module number 11. This week we're going to be studying and taking a look at mixed methods research, which really is a combination of both research methodologies, qualitative and quantitative, that we've been studying up to this point in the course. As you can see from the definition, mixed methods research is an approach to inquiry that combines or associates both qualitative and quantitative forms. Mixed method designs provide researchers across research disciplines with rigorous approach to answering research questions. So it's a combination of what we've been studying this far, and just to give you an idea of real life type of research, mixed methods research. Back a few years ago, I was involved with some mixed methods research that involved family forest landowners in the state of Maine. In Maine, we have about 18 million acres of forest land, and about 90,000 landowners are classified as family forest landowners. So the first part of the research was we sent out a survey finding out why landowners did not participate in federal and state cost-sharing programs, and additionally why they either did some kind of active forest management on the property or they did not. So the first part of the research was we sent out the survey, and then we got the information back. So that was the quantitative side of the research. We analyzed it, we did all of the statistical tests that we needed to do, but we wanted to know more. What was behind the numbers? So then we set up some targeted interviews of a sample that came from the original population for the study that we did. So the first part was the numbers. The second part was really finding out, was the qualitative side, finding out what the people were actually saying and what was behind the actual numbers. That's a very simplified overview of mixed methods research, but it is real life, and it was done. I was involved with that a few years back. So what are we going to do this week? Pretty simple. We're going to we're going to get into the mixed methods research, try to understand certain aspects of it. It's a little more complicated than both of them because it involves both methodologies. Read chapter 13 on mixed methods. There's going to be a discussion forum, and I'll explain that. But basically what I'd like you to do is choose one of these 4 studies right here. And then I'd like you to critically evaluate the methods, data collection, data analysis, results, and conclusions. And then post your comments in the discussion forums. I'll go down there in a second. There's a video to watch. You may have in previous classes actually used this author. His name is Cresswell. He really is he's a guru with mixed methods research. I'd like you to take a look at that. And then here's a little more information on the discussion forums. You choose one of the articles to read. You don't have to read all 4 of them. You can choose, take a look at each one to see which one you want to read. And then I'd like you to read, let's take this one. This one here, week number 11, discussion forum, mixed methods, teacher grit. So here is a synopsis, or the actual reference for that particular research. You can click on this to get to the actual research. Then I'd like you to take a look at it and then critically evaluate the methods, data analysis, results, and conclusions. And then post your comments on it. One or two paragraphs. If you can say it in one, that's fine. I don't want you to, once again, write a dissertation. I just want you to hit the highlights. And in each one of these discussion forums, there is just a reminder for you and a checklist on how to evaluate something like this. So that is it. If you have any questions, you please let me know. I'm a little behind on grading the papers. I have about half of them done. I will have the rest of them done today, which is Sunday, or at the very latest tomorrow.